Torrential slide cost commonly equivalent to $13.2100 a coin, which in a real sense is very huge. The present exchanged cost range, 13.0100-13.2900, which is very huge. The earlier day close, 13.1500, which basically is very huge. The change in a real sense was plus 0.0600, plus 0.46%. Which generally is very critical. Opposite rates, United States dollars to Avax, which sort of is genuinely huge. Torrential slide value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month Avalanche cost expectation on Monday, July 31, cost $13.03, truly most extreme 13.94, exceptionally least 12.12 in a by and large significant manner. Torrential slide gauge on Tuesday, August 1, cost $12.96, sort of greatest 13.87, in every way that really matters, least 12.05, by and large, in spite of prevalent thinking. Torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday, August 2, cost $13.19, by and large greatest 14.11, in every way that really matters, least 12.27 in an unpretentious way. Torrential slide estimate on Thursday, August 3, cost $12.76, genuinely greatest 13.65, really least 11.87 incredibly. In multi-week torrential slide cost forecast on Friday, August 4, cost $12.79, sort of most extreme 13.69, beautiful least 11.89 in a genuinely significant way. Torrential slide gauge on Monday, August 7, cost $12.39, greatest 13.26 in every practical sense, least 11.52 amazingly. Torrential slide cost forecast on Tuesday, August 8, cost $12.47, truly greatest 13.34, truly least 11.60, which certainly is very critical. Torrential slide conjecture on Wednesday, August 9, cost $12.35, in every way that really matters, most extreme 13.21, lovely least 11.49, in spite of prevalent thinking. Torrential slide cost forecast on Thursday, August 10, cost $12.52, lovely greatest 13.40, least 11.64, or so they certainly thought. In about 14 days torrential slide figure on Friday, August 11, cost $12.01, genuinely most extreme 12.85, by and large least 11.17, which truly is very critical. Torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, August 14, cost $12.10, greatest 12.95, beautiful least 11.25 in an unpretentious way. Torrential slide estimate on Tuesday, August 15, cost $11.65, most certainly greatest 12.47, beautiful least 10.83 in a significant way. Torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday, August 16, cost $11.80, most extreme 12.63, really least 10.97 in an all things considered huge way. Torrential slide figure on Thursday, August 17, cost $12.25, for the most part greatest 13.11, least 11.39, or so they in a real sense thought. In 3 weeks torrential slide cost expectation on Friday, August 18, cost $13.28, sort of greatest 14.21, sort of least 12.35, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Torrential slide conjecture on Monday, August 21, cost $13.03, kind of most extreme 13.94, truly least 12.12 in an unpretentious way. Torrential slide cost forecast on Tuesday, August 22, cost $12.91, genuinely most extreme 13.81, lovely least 12.01 in a significant way. Torrential slide gauge on Wednesday, August 23, cost $12.73, genuinely most extreme 13.62, essentially least 11.84, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday, August 24, cost $12.67, most certainly greatest 13.56, most certainly least 11.78, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. In about a month torrential slide gauge on Friday, August 25, cost $13.55, most certainly greatest 14.50, especially least 12.60, which sort of is genuinely critical. Torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, August 28. Cost $13.94, most extreme $14.92. By and large least 12.96 in an essentially significant manner. Torrential slide conjecture on Tuesday, August 29, costs $13.63, really most extreme $14.58. Exceptionally least 12.68. United States dollars to Avax today. United States dollars to Avax swapping scale especially equivalent to 0.0757 coins per $1 in an unpretentious manner. Today's reach 0.0752 to 0.0769. Which basically is genuinely huge. The past day's nearby 0.0760 in a sort of significant way. Change for now 0.0003. 0.39% in an unobtrusive way. Dollar to torrential slide conjecture on Monday, July 31, cost 0.077 coins, essentially most extreme 0.083, sort of least 0.072. So today's reach 0.0752 to 0.0769 in a genuinely significant way. United States dollars to Avax forecast on Tuesday, August 1, cost 0.077 coins, greatest 0.083, certainly least 0.072, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Dollar to torrential slide gauge on Wednesday, August 2, cost 0.076 coins, greatest 0.081. Essentially least 0.071, beautiful as opposed to mainstream thinking. United States dollars to Avax expectation on Thursday, August 3, cost 0.078 coins, truly most extreme 0.084, fundamentally least 0.073, which certainly is very critical. In multi-week dollar to torrential slide conjecture on Friday, August 4, cost 0.078 coins, all things considered, most extreme 0.084, beautiful least 0.073. Exhibiting how torrential slide figure on Wednesday, August 9, cost $12.35, greatest 13.21, really least 11.49, which especially is very critical. United States dollars to Avax forecast on Monday, August 7, cost 0.081 coins, especially greatest 0.087, least 0.075, which especially shows that torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday, August 22, cost $12.91, extremely greatest 13.81, truly least 12.01, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Dollar to torrential slide figure on Tuesday, August 8, cost 0.080 coins, extremely greatest 0.086, sort of least 0.075, which sort of is very huge. United States dollars to Avax forecast on Wednesday, August 9, cost 0.081 coins, truly most extreme 0.087, fundamentally least 0.076 in an essentially large way.